Let's create a multiplication table using basic concepts like loop, function, and exception handling. So for this purpose, I am going to create a function to generate a multiplication table. Here I am creating a function passing two values num and range, and then printing the multiplication table for number up to this range and the colon. Basically, I'm going to use a for loop after that so that I can iterate it onto the number range. Here I'm multiplying the numbers and printing the result using the print statement num multiply I. Then in the main program, I am going to print the multiplication table generator, and then I will be calling the function. Before that, I'm taking two input number and range and function. It means you want multiplication table up to which number. So I'm saying int enter the input, which is going to be the number for which you want the multiplication table, and then up to what number you want it. Then in the exception handling, I'm using value error. Let's run this and test it. So here in this, I'm getting multiplication table generator as an input, then testing it with the 24 number table. And here we are getting the 24 number table.